This is the hallway of the Aria. We're going to tour 18039. And this is a deluxe king, also known as just a standard king. So, first thing we'll notice, we got some light switches here. Master, service, privacy, and two light switches. Let's go ahead and hit the master. And then we'll turn everything on. It will also, I guess it won't. We notice this switch turns green. This one is still blue. It's because this one is actually broken. It doesn't turn off, it only turns on, so it's kind of weird. It's the bedroom lights. Hallway lights, bedroom lights. Here's a map of the floor. We're all the way up here. So you can see all these rooms are kind of the same size. First thing you'll notice is this huge foyer with tile floors and these massive closets. You can see I used that shelf for my backpack. You got some massive drawers over here. A sign. You got two robes, an ironing board. Ooh, my camera's kind of foggy. Excuse me. Let's go into the bathroom. The bathroom does have a slidey door, which is very hard to close. It does come with a lock though. As you can see, it's a lock. First thing we'll notice is the wonderful backsplash. We do have two sets of lights. We do have highlights. I don't know what they're called, makeup lights. Only one of them works. You can kind of see what they're made out of. They're pretty cool. They're not hot. We have this bar of soap. We got one for each side. I actually took the other one already. Two glasses. Saving water is very big. We do have a hair dryer. 4 towels under there. First thing I want to show you is here's the toilet room, bathroom, whatever you want to call it. You got a phone, toilet, I guess, with extra toilet paper. And a really impressive part is, sorry for the dirtiness, is the shower bath combo. Look at this. You get a shower that comes in this area. You get a seat. You can see there's little divots actually. So you can sit down, it's easier to sit down. And you get a bathtub in the shower. So you want to take a shower and a bath, or a bath and a shower, or want to sit here, wait for your bath, when you run the shower on you, you could do that. It's amazing. I didn't really use it that way, but it's cool. Honestly, first time I've ever seen that. Not the first time. First time I've seen that was in the Palms. But it's really cool. The shower water pressure is good. It's not great, it's good. There's a lot of rooms here. Off, off. Yeah, we'll do that. Actually, I'm gonna keep these on. Here we come into the bedroom. We have a full-length mirror right here. We also have sheer and blackout curtain controls. We can see that happening right there. If I press the stop button, they both stop. First thing we'll notice, Deluxe King. Look at all the space. I have my luggage storage over here, thermostats right there, but you don't need to use any of that. You also have a TV and a desk right here. Wireless phone. Ooh. Didn't even know that. You can get a wake-up call. Aria Resort and Casino. That's your phone number, 418039. 4 than the room number. Here is a resort map. You can scan the QR code if you want. Right on there, there is a map. You can pause that if you like. And there is a QR code. And they give you that when you check in, but I usually request one. Magazine, you can see when this was built, around 2010. They had those. Honestly, you couldn't even tell this hotel was built over 10 years ago. It looks like it was just built, still brand new. Mini bar. This section isn't weighted. They will charge you. However, look how stupid this is. If you place anything in the fridge, personal items, you will be charged. It takes about 60 seconds to take things out. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm not going to open it because the door is kind of jammy. You have a floor lamp over here, and you have 2 seats, which they face this way, but I face them out the window because I want to see out the window. Also, it takes too long to open the blinds. Maybe just in this room. But the one thing I wanted to show you guys, so we do have a little tray table here and some drawers and some storage there. One thing I wanted to show you is the movable tablet. Let me show you something. Room controls. I could select all lights on, blackout open. You can see the blackout curtains moving, lighting. We got We got entry lights. We got, let's see if I can do this one-handed. We got lamps. Boom, boom. You can make it half brightness if you want. The floor lamp. Look at that. You have different scenes. Let's do the welcome scene. I'll activate that. You see it's opening the curtains and turning all the lights on. It's welcoming you into the room. Go to drapes. We'll hit stop, stop. Listen. You can listen to music. TV controls. I set my alarm for the day. When I set my alarm, what it does is it actually turns all the lights on when the alarm goes off and opens the curtains. It's disturbing. Do not disturb in service. Check this out. Okay, I'm going to do this one hand. Oops. Watch this. Should switch. So privacy on door. Now service. And I just did that through here. Do that one more time. Sometimes it does take a minute for the internet to catch up. Oops. I usually don't do that. If when I come over here, I'll unclick the service button right here and click the privacy. Just watch when I do that. Privacy, service. You turn them both off. It blinks and it comes off. How cool is that? That is amazing. And I can return this back to its rightful place. It does have a do not disturb is on again. Crap. You can do anything with this. You can order food. You can call room service. You can even check out. Set an alarm. Hotel map. It's 8:05. Age of 6. That's really it with the room. You can control all the lights here. Best part is honestly, best part is the tablet. But the second best part is the view. Got a pool view here. I did online check-in. Get a view of the terrace at the conference center down there. Pool down there. I used that to determine where I was sitting. We got the 3 pools. The big one, the other big one, the sky pool, and the liquid back there. Honestly, they're all great. No preference as to which pool you can have. Each room is a corner room, which is amazing. The style of this hotel, you see that room over there. It's steps in. Also, the walk to the elevator is a mile. It's harsh. But anyway, that's the review room of an Aria Grand Deluxe King. Questions, comments, whatever's. You can leave. Bed's a king bed, obviously. But there is a throw pillow, which I really like. There we go. That looks better. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and turn the master off. And that's it.